Hey everyone, it's Cryptomat here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm pumped to bring you another exciting video today, so make sure to stick around, hit that like button and subscribe if you are new here. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely for informational purposes, and as always, make sure to do your own research and invest wisely. Now, let's get into today's topic, the biggest crypto copy trading platform out there, Bitget. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about Bitget, which makes me even more excited to take you through it. And don't forget, my referral code is linked below, so definitely check that out if you are interested. For those who are not familiar with Bitget, it was launched in 2018 and has quickly become one of the top crypto exchanges out there. Bitget offers a secure, all-in-one solution for crypto investors, making it easier than ever to trade smarter. With over 45 million users worldwide and daily trading volumes exceeding 10 billion USDT, the platform's impressive stats speak for themselves. Looking at their website, you will notice Bitget provides a variety of tools and services, from trading major cryptocurrencies to copy trading, which we will dive into shortly. There is a lot to explore. They even offer a trading bots and the potential to earn up to 300% APR. On top of that, the platform has a super user-friendly mobile app for trading on the go. Getting started with Bitget is super simple. I just registered my own account and the process couldn't have been smoother. One of the standout features of Bitget is how easy it is to sign up while also being one of the most secure platforms available. They've set up a dedicated protection fund, which adds an extra layer of defense against cyber threats, so you can rest assured that your assets are safe. If for any reason a user's account gets compromised or they suffer losses not caused by their own actions, Bitget Protection Fund allows them to file claims. This really shows how much they prioritize security for their users, giving you peace of mind as you trade. Once you've set up your account, the next step is to complete QIC, Know Your Customer Verification. This is required if you want to withdraw crypto, make fiat deposits, or engage in peer-to-peer trading. The process is pretty straightforward. You will need to upload some documents and go through facial recognition, and the whole thing typically takes less than an hour. Why QIC is important? This is a security measure that helps protect both users and the platform from fraud and money laundering. While this might seem like an extra step, this ensures a safer trading environment for everyone. What documents do you need? You will generally need to provide a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver license, and sometimes proof of address. Bitget system will guide you through each step, making it easy to complete. What if there is an issue? If you run into any problems during QIC process, Bitget has 24/7 customer support available to help resolve issues quickly, so you are never left in the dark. By completing QIC, you unlock full range of features Bitget offers, so it's definitely worth taking a few minutes to get it done. Now, let's dive into one of the standout features of Bitget, spot trading. This is where you can easily buy and sell assets. The great news is that the trading fee is just a flat 0.1% for both makers and takers. But wait, it's get even better. If you use Bitget's native token BGB to pay those fees, you can get a 20% discount. Who doesn't love saving money while trading? Now, let's talk about futures trading. On Bitget, the fee structure is a bit different. You will pay 0.02 if you are a maker and 0.06% as a taker. With over 310 trading pairs available and leverage options up to 125x, Bitget Futures Trading gives you a fantastic chance to boost your profits. So, whether you are looking to trade spot or dive into futures, Bitget has got you covered. Now, let's dive into copy trading, which is one of the Bitget standout features. It's perfect for beginners investors and even seasoned traders who don't have time to actively monitor the trade. With Bitget's copy trading, you can replicate the strategies of expert traders, allowing you to automatically take the same positions as them in both the spot and futures markets. Bitget offers a variety of strategies, and many of them are completely free to follow. You can check key details of its strategy, such as the total profit from closed trades over the last 30 days, which coins or tokens pairs are being traded, and the profit sharing ratio. This helps you choose the strategy that best fits your investment goals. Whether you are copying a strategy for spot or futures trading, risk management is crucial. Fortunately, Bitget provides several tools to help you manage potential losses. For instance, you can set a stop-loss ratio, so if your loss exceeds a certain percentage, your assets will be automatically sold at market price. You can also set a take-profit ratio to lock in gains when a specified profit percentage is reached. Additionally, you can set a maximum investment limit in USDT for each trading pair. Once that limit is reached, you will stop copying the trader, keeping your exposure controlled. To get started, you will need to connect your wallet. And now we will talk about it more. Bitget own wallet. This wallet is fully integrated into the platform and optimized for smoother experience. Whether you are trading, swapping, or participating in copy trading, Bitget Wallets allows you to manage everything in one place. Plus, it's available on both desktop and mobile, making it convenient no matter what device are you using. Now, let's talk about Bitget Swap, which is one of the platform's coolest features. This feature allows you to swap coins instantly with a simple one-click process. Unlike many other platforms, Bitget Swaps offers a wide range of trading pairs and cross-chain swaps, meaning you can easily exchange assets across different blockchains. What's even better is that the swap feature ensures you get the best possible prices across the network while keeping fees low and transaction fast. So, no more worrying about high fees or long transaction times. With Bitget Swap, you can quickly and conveniently exchange tokens, whether you are preparing for a trade or just rebalancing your portfolio. The process is seamless and designed for traders who value efficiency. Now, let's check out another cool feature, Bitget Card. This VIP card lets you connect with wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, so you can easily use your crypto for everyday purchases. It's a seamless way to integrate your digital assets into your daily life. And for our users in EU, depositing funds just got even easier. With SEPA deposits, you can transfer money with zero fees and enjoy instant transfers. That means you can get started trading without any hassle. It's all about making your crypto experience smooth and efficient. Let's talk about contests and rewards. Bitget is known for hosting regular contests and events when you can score some amazing prizes. It's a great way to get involved and possibly walk away with something special. They are not just any exchange, they are ranked as a top 5 derivatives exchange in the industry. With exciting partnerships and a range of innovative products like spot and futures trading, copy trading, launchpads, and much more, there is always something happening at Bitget. So keep an eye out for those contests, you might just find yourself a winner. Alright everyone, that's a wrap for today's video. Honestly, I could talk about Bitget for hours because there is so much to explore. But don't worry, I will save some of those insights for future video. If you love to see series dedicated to Bitget, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And remember, my referral link is in the description, so if you want to support the channel, feel free to use it. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.